somewhere in an official Chinese regulatory database. A drone that officially doesn't exist just got registered. And if early rumors are right, it might not even need registration paperwork when it lands in your home country. This is the biggest DJI Air series leak in 3 years. If you've been eyeing an Air 3S or planning a drone purchase this year, pause right there. What we're looking at could completely rewrite the which drone should I buy decision for 2026. On May 11th, early documents and screenshots published by reputable drone sleuths, including Igor Bogdanov, showed the DJI Air 4 appearing inside a Chinese civil aviation compliance system. This isn't a random forum rumor or a Photoshop render. Manufacturers do not integrate placeholder names into active, government-mandated flight reporting tools for fun. Seeing the Air 4 in production-grade compliance software means hardware testing has crossed a major threshold. The paper trail is real. Here is the detail sending shockwaves through the community. Early categorization logs in these databases suggest the Air 4 could target a sub-250-gram weight class. Think about what that means. The airline has always been DJI's mid-tier sweet spot, bigger than a Mini, but smaller than a Mavic. If DJI manages to pack Air Series flagship imaging into a sub-250G frame, you get pro-level dynamic range and low-light capability without triggering strict registration, pilot licensing, or flight restrictions in major markets. It completely redefines travel drones. This connects back to early 2025, when leaker Jasper Ellens shared photos of a crashed prototype. At the time, few realized what it was. The unit featured thicker, reinforced folding arms for wind resistance and stability, a Mavic 4-style top cover with 3 top-mounted obstacle sensors and an LED beacon, rumored dual 1-inch sensors, moving away from mixed sensor sizes to dual full 1-inch CMOS sensors for massive low-light and color grading headroom, forward LiDAR and omnidirectional sensing, extended sensing arrays for complex urban or tree-line environments. DJI historically operates on a 2 to 3 year release cycle for the Air lineup. Air 2 in $2020 right to $, Air 3 in $2023 right to $, Air 3S in late 2024. Industry expectations point to a release window between September and November 2026. The elephant in the room. As of right now, no official FCC filing has surfaced. While existing, approved DJI drones received software update extensions through 2029, brand new unfiled hardware faces a significantly tougher approval process in the US. American buyers might face delayed domestic availability or import hurdles at launch. Buy the Air 3S now if you have client deadlines, upcoming commercial work, or live in a region facing tight import scrutiny. The Air 3S is approved, highly capable, and available right now. Wait for the Air 4 if your current drone is working fine and you want a potential sub-250G powerhouse with dual 1-inch sensors. Are you holding out for the Air 4 or picking up an Air 3S today? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the update the moment the FCC filing drops.